Hello everyone. Today I'm introducing the GEO Results and Rank Tracking workflow, a simple but powerful way to monitor your search presence. We kick things off on Perplexity. We've trained the agent to find the search bar, drop in our target question, and hit enter. Once the results are live, we use an extract node to grab every bit of data on the page instantly, making rank tracking easier than ever. Let's jump into the Run tab to see the magic in action. You can see the agent executing every step perfectly, from navigation to typing. The real secret here is the input question. We use the n8n workflow to feed the agent the precise queries you want to rank for. The entire n8n scenario kicks off automatically on a schedule, using Google Sheets as the brain of the operation. It acts as both our input list for keywords and our database for the results. In this setup, we define the headers and create a new sheet for every run. This means you simply add your target keywords to the main list, and the workflow handles the rest, pulling the inputs and saving the data back to a fresh sheet automatically. Let's look at the Google Sheet schematics. You will need to manually define the company name and the category columns in your main input sheet. However, the specific run sheets are created automatically by the workflow, which then fills in the results itself. Now for the heavy lifting. We send our data to an AI agent that's been trained to act as a strategist. It looks at your company and category to brainstorm high-impact search questions that reveal your true ranking and any blind spots. We then split those questions out and feed them into a loop. In every cycle, BrowserAct performs a live search for that specific query, and the results are instantly logged into your Google Sheet. Once the loop is complete, we grab all the extracted data from Google Sheets and aggregate it into a single array. This consolidated data is then passed to a second AI agent, which is specifically instructed to analyze the results. The AI checks if your company is appearing in the rankings and, if it is, provides tailored suggestions for even better performance and increased visibility. Check out the final delivery. We've sent the complete report straight to Slack, where the whole team can see exactly where we stand in the AI rankings. It highlights our wins, pinpoints the problems, and lays out the AI-generated recommendations for our next move. It's the perfect way to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.